Hey guys, this is Seth at Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. Hey guys, this is the 2005 Exmark 48-inch Turf Tracer HP. This machine is in excellent shape, all original paint, original tires, and all original components. With the original rock deflector, you don't see them with these much anymore. The tires are about, 50-60% life left. It's got the 17 horsepower Kawasaki, the KAI series engine. It starts up and runs perfect. Gas tank. This is your console, the key switch, your speed control and throttle. Your hydraulic pumps are in excellent shape, no leaking. Everything operates well as far as the hydro pumps and wheel motors. The saw key is, it's about like new. It's barely broken in. All the bearings are tight, and everything's in good shape there. So everything operates well on this machine. This is your box of goodies with the mulch kit, your manuals, blades, belts, and the filter, and you can see what's listed there in the listing. But if you have any other questions on this machine, feel free to message me, and thank you very much. Hey guys, thanks for viewing our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. We can ship these machines pretty much anywhere, so if you want a shipping rate, feel free to contact us. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.